Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the official Crunchyroll Manga app. If you're a manga fan, you've probably heard of it, but is it the right choice for you? Let's find out in the next 2 minutes. First, this is the official manga app from Crunchyroll, a giant in the anime world. It's a separate app from their main video service, dedicated entirely to digital manga. The biggest advantage here is the subscription model. For one flat monthly fee, you get unlimited access to their entire library. You can read as much as you want. The library includes thousands of titles, from major hits like Jujutsu Kaisen and One Piece to many other popular and hidden gem series. A major feature, especially for fans of ongoing series, is Simulpub. This means you can read the latest chapters of certain series as soon as they are released in Japan, often on the very same day. No more waiting for scans or physical volumes. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, it's an official and legal way to read manga, which directly supports the creators. The reading experience is clean and high quality. The value for money is excellent if you read frequently. On the con side, the most significant issue is availability. The app is not available in every country, which can be a major limitation. Also, while the library is large, it may not have every single niche or obscure title you might be looking for, especially when compared to some other platforms. So, what's the final verdict? The Crunchyroll Manga app is a fantastic deal if you primarily read popular shonen series, and the app is available in your region. The Simulpub feature and all-you-can-read subscription make it a compelling choice. However, it might not be the best fit if you are looking for a very specific, niche title or if you live in an unsupported country. The best way to know for sure is to check the Google Play Store link in the description below to see if it's available for you. Thank you for watching.